Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Temu app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on you down here. When you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, we just click here on notifications, then come to next step here, just switching to open video here. Then all you have to do, just come here to promotions here, then you click here on edit. When you just click on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you select here promotions for notifications if you want to add it normal or not in frequency here or frequency. I can you select in here frequency or SMS frequency here too. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.